Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. It is Sunday. Hope everyone had a good weekend. Everybody is safe. We made it. We have another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. Link is going to be down below. And see what other goodies they have to offer. And here we go. It is that time. Holidays are getting closer. You might want to ask Santa Claus to add this to your wish list. There you go. Boom. Oh. There we go. Got that down. Something in here. Oh, yeah. Oh, boy. Premium quality Gusseted pillow. Ooh. Queens. Yep. It's a queen size right there. It shows. So, this is a nice little package. Zipper. There we go. Bam. Look at that. Oh. I can hear it hissing. Here's one. So it's a 2-pack. That's good. I just gotta find a slot. Hear it? There we go. Now it's gonna see it's getting poofy. Yeah, buddy. These are super soft. Oh yeah, definitely get a good night's sleep on these. You can never have enough pillows, that's for sure. Older you get, definitely our pillows are a good thing to have around. Take them with you in the car. Take them pretty much anywhere. On airplane. Came with a nice little tote bag. There. I got that one. Yeah. And now we open this one. That is. Oh yeah. Kind of like goose. Triple goose. Like that coat back in the day. There we go. Look at that. It's getting higher. That's what's going on. Oh. Uh-oh. Something fell. Boom. So here they are. You got the 2-pack. Tupac special. Ooh. Nice, nice. And check out the other sizes they have to offer. This is coming from, what is it from? Utopia. Whoa. Really nice. Hopefully you guys can see it. So you got the 2-pack. Super soft. Oh yeah. Really a nice little housewarming gift, Christmas gift, birthday gift. So, there you guys have it. Utopia pillows on Amazon. You guys be safe. Have a good night. And see you hopefully guys back tomorrow. Happy Red. Yep. See ya.